Amazfit has just launched the new Helio Strap Pro, bringing some meaningful upgrades over the original Helio Strap. It adds a unique dual sensor system, better movement tracking, and deeper training insights for serious athletes. But are these upgrades really worth it? In this video, we'll compare the Amazfit Helio Strap Pro and the Amazfit Helio Strap side by side, covering design, battery life, health and fitness features, smart features, and overall value to help you decide which one is the better choice. Welcome back to Smartwatch Radar. Subscribe for the latest smartwatch reviews and comparisons. Let's get started.